Bananas are one of the most popular fruits around the world. They are enjoyed for their great taste and versatility to be added to a number of healthy recipes and smoothies. Not only do they taste great, but they are extremely nutritious and promote our overall health a number of unique and different ways. Bananas also contain many important vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. Let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of eating bananas regularly. First, bananas are loaded with important nutrition. Not only are they excellent sources of potassium, but they also contain high levels of vitamin B6, manganese, copper, vitamin C, and magnesium to name a few. As well, they are also great sources of dietary fiber, with one medium-sized banana containing about 3 grams of fiber. They are also rich in antioxidants and low in fat. Eating bananas regularly can also help to improve overall digestion and promote the health of our digestive system. This is largely attributed to their high levels of dietary fiber, which works to improve digestion. Bananas contain 2 important types of fiber, known as pectin and resistant starch. This resistant starch, which is found in bananas that are more unripe, escapes the digestive process and settles in the large intestine, becoming a food source for good bacteria in the gut, allowing them to thrive. Pectin can also help to improve colon health. They can also help to improve the overall health of our heart and cardiovascular system. The mineral potassium is important in this way since it can help to regulate blood pressure, promote overall heart health, and decrease the risk of heart disease. They also contain heart-healthy magnesium and fiber. As well, bananas are rich in antioxidants, such as catechins, which can help to eliminate inflammation and free radicals in the body that can compromise our cardiovascular health. Consuming bananas regularly can also help to moderate blood sugar levels. This is attributed to the great levels of pectin which they contain. Resistant starch is also helpful in this regard. Both types of fiber work to moderate blood sugar levels, while also reducing appetite and stomach emptying. Bananas also have a moderate glycemic index value. If that wasn't enough, bananas can also help to improve insulin sensitivity due to the resistant starch and pectin found within them. Lastly, bananas can help to promote weight loss and proper weight management when consumed in moderation. They can help you to feel more full, which can help with preventing overeating and snacking during the day. They also contain many different nutrients while being fairly low in calories. As well, they can have benefits for those individuals who are working out and performing exercise, such as reducing soreness after a workout, promoting recovery, and reducing cramps. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.